Today I'm gonna do Leetcode 822. It's called card flipping game. I'll be given n cards with a positive integer printed on the front and back of each card. The front number and back number of each card could be different or could be the same. And we'll try to flip any number of the cards. And after the flip, we'll pick one card. So the number X on the back of the picked card, if it's not on the front of any cards after the flip, then we call this number X is good. We'll try to output the smallest number that we consider good. If there is no such number, we'll output 0. And the inputs is fronts and backs represent the number on the front and back of the card. A single flip will swap the front and back number. So the value on the front and the value on the back will be swapped, and vice versa. We have the example for this one. Say 5 cards. Front number is 12447, and the back numbers are 13413 as the initialization. If we just flip the second card, so the second card's front is 2, back is 3, and 2 and 3 will be swapped. So the current fronts we have is 13447, and the current backs we have is 12413. If we just pick the second card from the current backs numbers, and the current back of this second card is 2, because 2 is unique among the current fronts numbers. So we call this 2 is actually the good number. Because in this case, 2 is the smallest we can get. So we'll output 2. Let's just have a breakdown of this example. Basically, we can find that there are just 2 types of cards. The first type is the front number equals to the back number. So we can consider this kind of card are bulletproof to the flips, because no matter how you flip this card, the fronts will always, the front and backs, they're not change, right? You make no difference. And these numbers simply cannot be the good numbers to pick, because the back number can never be unique among the front number we have, because we have the this particular card's front number is the back number, right? So we can actually traversing through the fronts and backs to find out what kind of numbers that we considered the numbers we can never pick, and we can have a hash set for it. And another type of the number, another type of the card is the card that with a different front number and back number. So the flip can actually really take effect with such cards. So for this particular type of cards, we just want to make sure that the front number or the back number, whichever is not in the can't pick set that we already have. So if such number is not in the set, then we can make it a good number candidate. So for example, for 1, like this card, the first card of the cards we have, the back number is 1, and the front number is 4. So if we pick the back number of 1, 1 is actually in the count pick set. That count pick set includes 1, right? So it cannot be selected. For example, like this 2 and 3, for the second card, it has the front number of 2 and back number of 3. Neither 2 or 3 in the count pick set. So 2 and 3 are all good number candidates. But we'll pick 2 because 2 is the smallest one, right? So let's just write this this solution following our classification strategy. Let's do that. So first, let's start with the count pick set. Make it set. And for range, so if font I equals to text I, or just add this number. Excuse me. So we will have the count pick set, and then let's just traversing through the front number and back numbers. First, make sure that the number is not in the count pick set, and we'll just have a result starting as float infinity, and we'll update this request with max price and number. Sorry, actually me. So we'll return price if price is not equals to float. Just simply return 0. So let's see how it works. Okay, passed and submit. All right, there you go. So that's our solution for this one.